Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video I will continue mark grade because I will see some comments that people need a mark grade, means that anybody can follow in this series, so he need a mark grade. So in this video we can continue mark grade. Suppose we need to create a new menu here like mark grade. After we can add a where is the percentage, like a percentage from to percentage up to. So this is the grade. Suppose percentage from to this one, so this is the grade a b c d e f. We need to make a dynamic grade system so user can do it automatically, like we can add like a grade, so 19 to 100. Suppose b grade, so 80 to 90 means 89. C grade, so 70 to 79. Like this we can make a grade system like a f grade, so 0 to 58, so means it's a fail. Okay, so we can do it like this grade system, and I will show you how to make a grade system. So first of all we need to go to examination. Inside we need to go to mark register. In bottom we need to create a new menu like a marks grade, because I already write this is the words, because I need to explain this reason I write these words. So just go to resources. After need to go views. Inside go to admins. Admin inside you need to go, not admins, just go to layouts. Inside need to go headers, and you need to go inside a examination. Taking few seconds. Code is open. So just go down, and here you can see it like assign class teachers. This is the examinations. So examination bottom we need to create a mark grade. Just copy and paste here, and just because I already write copy these words, means I already write these words, so you can write because I am the just copy paste doing. Just mark grades, and also I can change like here mark grades. Okay, and also we can change the segment because I don't want to do active class. I need to add this reason we need to add here mark segment, otherwise not showing the mark segment. This reason I am doing here inside segment marks grades. Okay, so just go back and refresh the page. So you can see is a new menu found mark grades. Let's click on the mark grades. So you can see it like this is the routes, not founds. So we need to create a routes. Here is a add, edit, delete, like this we need to do. After we need to implement inside a examination here like a 73.5. So whatever percentage we add inside mark grade, so here you need to show like a grade like a b c d a o, whatever there for this percentage wise, this grade we can show. Okay, so just go to mark grades, and we can create add, edit, delete, updates. So I can do it quickly, but I can show you how we can do it. Okay, so just go inside, and you can copy like admin one. All the admin routes you can copy. Please carefully. Okay, I am copying all the admin routes, and I just go down, and I can put here, and I am changing like a examination admin to all piece, changing the examination, because our routes always work like admin examinations. You can see it like after we whatever sub menu created, this is the menu we can write here. So mark grades, so here we can do mark grade adds. This is the new routes, like this is the insert functions like insert database, and this is the edit mark grades edits. Here is the update function for the mark grades, and here is a delete function about the mark grades. Okay, so same thing we can do it like here we can change to mark grades. Here we can make like mark grades add, and here we can change to mark grade insert, means the database insert. And also we can make like here mark grades edits, mark grades updates, and also we can change here mark grade deletes. But because this is the crude system, so we need to add, edit, delete. This is then I already created all the routes, but let's comment out other routes, and I can show you one by one every time I need. So I make a just uncomment, and I can explain what I did. Okay, just you can change to your admin control to examination control every place. Okay, so just go to examination controller, and we need to create a new functions like admin sites. So just go down. Okay, here is student side, so just we can create here like functions mark grades. Okay, and here we don't want to pass anything. Here we also don't need a filter, because here like you can add some mark. You are not adding like multiple mark. This reason we don't want to need a filters. Just copy anything and paste here. So admin examination, and we can create a new menu like mark grades. Inside we need to create a file list, not menu, new folder. Sometime I have made a mistake, so sorry about that. Mark grades, and go to examinations. Inside we need to create a new folder, otherwise new directory, whatever you can like. I can say new folders always. So just go to examination. Inside we need to create a new folder, and inside I need to create a list files, new .blade.php. Okay, so just go to examination, inside go to list, and you can copy all the records and put here. Okay, we don't need a here pagination, so just remove the pagination one. Right now we don't need like a for each loop, so I am removing the for each loops and remove the other space we don't need. Like a filter we don't need here, so just I can remove the filters. Okay, so you can see it like I am doing like common files, and also we don't need a count, like here is no any big counts, so just remove the big counts. And we need to change here like a mark grades, so just we can change here like a marks grades. Okay, and also add new mark grades, and here we need to change like our URL. So I just go to webs, and here I have created like a admin examination mark grades add. So just go to no we have made a mistake, sorry. Just we can use like this mark grades slash ads, you see. So we need to active class always need to work this reason we need to do like this. Okay, so just copy and go to list, and we can change here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page. So see, no any errors, mark grades. Okay, so here we also need to change like exam list to mark grades list. I save, I just go back again, and you can see it like marks grade list. Okay, now we need to change here like a grade name. So A, B, C, D, whatever do you want to like, you can use it grade name, and we don't need a like S, this is the ID. And also we need to put like percent from and percent to, and created dates, and I think we can add a like who is a created, so created by also. Okay, so we know who is a created. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like I will change the name, grade name, percentage, percent from to percent to, like 80 to 19, whatever, percent by, not a created by, sorry about that. I just change percent by to created by. I just go back again, refresh the page. So menu name is correct. Let's open the database, and I can create a new table for the grades. So just we can create a table name marks grades. So just open the database, and we can add a grade name, percent from, percent to, and created by, and created dates, and updated dates. Like this we can add. So let's create a database open. This time we can create a like a add new marks grade form. Just you can click here. So this is the routes not found, means that we have not created like this function inside examination. This is generated here error, you can see it. So just copy and go to here, and just you can do it like a function, and here up one you can copy, here just change add new marks grades, and here you can change to add. Okay, so just go to mark grade, inside we need to create a new file add.blade.php, and just copy examination file and paste here, and we can change here name. Let me show you first. I just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like what I did. First I have created new function mark grade add, because we have passed here like routes, and after I have created new file inside a mark grade, inside add.blade.php. So just I go to exam, and I copy all the code, and I paste inside a mark grades. So you can see it right now. Okay, and here we can change like add new mark grades. So just go back again, and I can copy these words and paste here, so we can do it quickly. So let's click on the add new mark grades, so you can see it. Now we need to remove the other parts. Just we need a like this, like we have passed inside a grade name, percentage from, percent to, created by, and created. So just need a three fields, grade name, percentage to, and percentage, sorry, from and to percentage. So first of all we need to create tables inside schools.com, because our database name is a schools.com. So we can create a new table, marks grades. So just copy these words and paste here. First column is id, because the auto increment always need. This reason I am using the id primary key. And grade name, so I just using the grade name. Okay, so percent means name only, percent from and percent to. And we need to add a like integer, because here we don't want to type like this, like so just you need a integers. Sdefine 0 also is a sdefine is equal to 0, and here we can make like varchar, and I think 25 is enough. Nulls, and I just add a for column like created by is delete. We don't want to remove the permanently, these reasons. Okay, and now I think we need to remove permanently, we don't need, so we need to remove the permanently. And after we need to make a created at and updated at. So just we can change here like a date time years, and also we need to change inside a created inside date time, and created by also need a integers. Okay, I think table is ready. Just save now. So marks grade table is created. So let's create for this controller first mark grades models, not a controller, sorry, models. So this model inside we can set up this table name. Okay, marks grade models. I just copy and I open my codes, and after I can create a controllers. So just wait few seconds. I am opening my codes. Here is my code there. So just open your terminal. PHP artisan make model marks grade model. Just press the enter. So is a creating models, taking few seconds after created. So just go back again and just go to app, inside need to go models. So you can see it here. Once here created, I think it's created, you see. So here I can see it, mark grades model. Just go to anyone and just copy this name like a protected table, so we know okay for this model we need to use these tables. So just copy this table name and I paste here. And suppose do you want to like this space, so just remove this space, because sometimes generate the issue you don't know about space. But so carefully you can check about the table name after you putting inside a mark grade model. Inside means any model inside you can put database table name, so just check carefully. Okay, so is a table means successfully created about the models. So now we need to create a form about add new grade. Okay, so just go to again to add files here and exam name. So we just need to put here the name, so just we can change to here grade name, sorry, grade name, and we can change to here. Okay, grade name. Now we just need to copy same thing, we don't need a note, so just removing like percent to and percent from, sorry, percent from to 2. So just copy again, and here we can change 2, and I can use like number here, because always need to add a number, no need a tags, and we don't need like this name whatever type here placeholder. So just remove here. Just go back again database, and I can copy this name and I put here percent from to here from. Suppose future you can add a validation, so you can easily use this reason I am not removing this code, otherwise this code we are not using. So just you need to remove, so you can remove. So do you want to add a validation, so you can make it validation, but here no any validation. So here is like 3 column, why we need to make a validation. So do you want to like validation, so you can make a validation, so you can use it, otherwise not generate the issue. So don't worry about that. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, let's go to add new. So you can see it like grade name percent from percent to. Okay, so this is the form we need to save. Same routes means add admin, so just go to routes and just make an uncomment, and just we can change like the adds like this, marks add grades is equal to add. So we need to create a new function mark grade inserts, and here we already write like this. Here we already write like a crf field token, understand? So no issue, just go back, and here we can create a new function, mark grade inset. So let's check what data I get here. Okay, because I request all I did here, and I just go, so make it like a to from means 90 to 100 means is a grades. After whatever do you want, like a plus do you want to do, a plus you can do, so you can see it like this. So this data we need to store inside a database. So just go back again, and we need to marks model inside we need to save. So just you can make a variable mark is equal to new marks grade model, and just you can save inside database. This reason I print here name is equal to dollar request name. Also you can use the trim function, so sometimes space user can add, so not generate the issue. This reason I like to use always trim function, so automatically remove the all the space, like a after space, so is removed this reason. Okay, from percent from and percent to. Also we need to add a created by, so just copy and go to database, and after we need to change here like created by, so whatever user login we need to pass here id. Oh, so auth users id, and after we need to save. After we need to redirect to list page, so here just write return redirect. Otherwise I can copy, so we can do it quickly. So just go to up, any place we can 100% view deeds, so just go up. Here you can see it like a, you see, just copy and paste here, so you can do it quickly this reason. Otherwise video going too big, so people don't like this big video watch. I'm 100% sure. So don't worry about that, I will try to make very small video and explain very well these reasons. Okay, like we can change here like name admin examination marks grades, and we can change here like a mark grade successfully created. I click in the add new marks grade. Here I can change a, here we can make 90, the from 2 means 100, and just click on this submit. So okay, because this model we are not declared, this reason generate the error. So just go up. I know I have not declared, but I need to show error, this reason I have generate first error, so you don't forget these reasons. Okay, so we can need to add here models. Okay, so you can check here. Okay, it's perfect. Save and just go back again, press Ctrl F5. So whatever data inside there post method, this is the data you can get again. So you can see it like a mark grade successfully created. I can go to browse, so you can see it here. You see a 19 to 100 and created by 1. So working very well, so no issue. Okay, so let's go back again, and grade name and from and to and created by, we need to show data here. So just we need to make another query inside list inside, like a grade mark inside. Just you can make dollar data grade records means get records, and go to inside and create a one query. So we can do it quickly. Static functions return self means a mark grade model name, otherwise you can use like this, so also work. Select marks grade dot star, and we need to make a join query, so we can get a name about the users, because created by, who is a created by users dot id marks grade is equal to marks grade dot created by, and here we can just pass like a get. Okay, we don't want to make order by, this reason. So do you want to like order by, so you can make, because I don't want to make a order by here, this reasons. Okay, users dot name has a created name. Okay, So done here this query. So just go back again to controllers and just copy this variable and go to inside list resources. Inside you need to go to list, and otherwise you can go to examination. You just copy this the all files, means all the code, and put inside a t body. And here we don't need a id, so just remove the id. And also we need to change here like a percent from and percent to, like percent from, and we can put here like percent to. Okay, so I think now done, because this is created by also there here, and also we have put like created ads. So just go back again and refresh the page, so we can check error generate, cannot generate. Okay, so you can see it record found, no any errors. And also you can see it who is the created name. Also we have put like edit and delete button, but this button we can change to our routes. So what is the our routes? Just go back again and we can change, and here we can change to edits. So our route like a admin examination mark grades edits. So just go back again to list, and here you can change. Also you can change here like delete routes, like delete. Okay, so everything is good now, and let's continue to edit function, because add and list done. So just need to add edits. Click on the edits. So we need to create a new function inside the examination controller, mark grade edit. Now also we have passed like one parameter, you can see it here, id. Okay, so examination inside go, and just we can create a function request dollar. No need a request, just we can pass here id, and just we can get a marks data. So just we can create a dollar data get records marks models. Inside we can make a get single, because always we need to use, so we can use it directly this reason. So get single, we need to create a new function inside a mark grade model. So just we can type static function get single. Here you can pass like id. After we need to return self find id. Self means above class name, I already explained. So whatever do you want to like, so do you want to like this name, so you can put like this name, so also work. Otherwise you can use self, so also work. Okay, so here I can get a single record data. So I just copy and I put here, and we can change to edit marks grade, and here we can change the file name add to edits. Okay, so go back again, and we need to create a new files inside mark grades edit.blade.php. just copy one add file and put paste inside edits. And after we need to change here name like edit marks grades. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so we can see it like edit files, you see. And also is highlight, because we are not removed third segment, and also we not removed a second segment, means third and fourth segments. So everything is good. So let's make a value, whatever receive the value inside a get record. So simple, just comma name, same thing you can do it here, and also here just change to percentage to, and also you can change here percentage from. Just back again, refresh the page, so you can get the data, you can see it again. Okay, so you can see a 90 to 100. Now I click on the submit, means we need to submit to update, we need to change. After you click on the submit to updates, so we need to update this record, but we have not created this post methods. So just go back again, refresh the page, and we need to create a post method, because the action URL blank, so same as whatever URL there, this is the URL, is a post method work. So just uncomment admin examination mark grade slash edit, and which we have passed like one parameter, because already there one parameter, you can see it. Okay, so let's copy this name and just go back again, and here we need to create a new function mark grades update. We can get here id, also we can get like a dollar request to dollar request. Just you can copy this one. First you need to copy all things, add one and paste here. Okay, We don't need here created by, just remove created by, and we need to change like here mark grade model is equal to get single, because we have already created these functions. I have already show you, you can see it here. Okay, so I directly I use, so perfect, no issue. And we can change here like a mark grade successfully updated. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, and I will click on the update function. So work not work we can check. Okay, so I can make like 99. This is the for testing. Okay, what is the issue? Just, oh, I have not saved this file, these reasons. I save this file now. I just go refresh the page, and I can change here 90 to 99, and I click on the updates. So you can see it working very well. You can see it like 99. So let's back again and click on the edit, and we can change to same as hundreds. Let's add some other grades like a B. B need to add like 80 to 89, and another grade we need to add C. I am adding my way grade. Whatever do you want to, like you can add like this your grade. Okay, 70 to 79s, and D we can add 60 to 69, and also we need to add 50 to 59. So this is the E grade, and after we need to add a F grades. This is the grade like 0 to 58. Okay, so this is the grade for 59 58s. This is the I add grade, because I already researched about the grade system. I like it like this grade name. So do you want to do like your way, so you can do it. Now let's make a delete function, so we can check delete function work not work. We have already created routes, just you can change here like deletes, and we need to put inside a list admin examination mark grade slash delete. So just you can copy this name delete grade function mark grade deletes, and we can just create a new file here function, and here you need to pass id. Just copy above line and do it quickly like mark deleter, and just I can go and change, means we need to copy and paste here, and we can change this message like a mark register successfully deleted. Okay, perfect. Just go back again. I will just remove the F grade, after I will add again F grade. Okay, I just press delete, so you can see mark grade successfully deleted, and after we have removed the permanently this database inside, we are not storing like a status wise, because this is the one time add. So why we need to do like a more condition, this region F, and we need to add 0 to 58s. Okay, so grade system is done. So what I did, mark grade, add, edit, delete everything, and listing we have done about mark grade. Now what we need to do, just go to mark registers, and inside we need to change like examination I can choose, and I can choose part-time. So we need to show here like whatever grade I will received. So this is the percentage is 73.5. So 73.5 we need to make query inside a mark grade, and whatever there inside 73.5 inside, so he can receive like C grade. So we need to show here grade is equal to C. So let's do now. Just open the mark register. So just go to admin like a examination. Inside you can see it like a mark register. Okay, so it's very simple, we can do it quickly. So but you can carefully checks. Okay, here you can get a percentage, you can see it like percentage. Okay, so this percentage inside we need to fire one query. So which data I will get here, we are getting the data about the get subjects. So we need to use like a query get subjects, so not possible. So I can show you what is the best way. Okay, so just we need to create here PHP, we can get a dollar get percent get grade. Sorry, I made a spelling mistake, grade. Here we need to declare like same thing whatever doing here like this app. I think I have not explained how we can use it inside models directly. So this video you can understand like app slash model slash mark grade models get grade. Just you can type like same like get grade, and you need to pass this percentage. Okay, I am calling directly. So just go to mark grade models, and inside static functions, and I can write here like percentage percent, and here I have made a one query. Like just copy any query. Let's copy this ones, and we don't need like this all things, so just remove. And here we can make like condition where, let's go to database, percent from less than is equal to, sorry, percent, and greater than, sorry, this the greater than is equal to, and now we need to do is a less than is equal to percent 2. So inside we can found any records, so we need to get, so just you can use like a first, we need to show only first record. So let's go back again to mark register, and I can print r, so we can check data get cannot get. Okay, and I go back again, and I save, and I just refresh the page. I think we have not make a returns. Let me go back again. We have made a returns. Let's just, we can check, we can comment these codes. I refresh now. You see we get the all the data, right? I think we need to make a mistake, so we can make like less than is equal to and greater than is equal to. Inside whatever data inside find, this data we need to show about the percentage. Okay, so just refresh, so you can see one record found. So let's print what percentage I get. So just I can return like what percentage I get. So returns, I create one variable, and I just type returns name, and I made a condition. Suppose we can found the record, so we need to return, otherwise we don't want to return, otherwise generate error. I think some people not understand what I did. Less than is equal to from, and greater than is equal to 2. So whatever inside their record, this record we need to returns. Okay, so we can get whatever data I can get. So I will just return the name about the grades. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it what I received. So you can see C grade received. So just go to listing, so you can see it 70 to 79. So what is the grade? C grade. So just we need to put here like a C grades. Mark registers, and I just remove these columns, and I can make like here another BR, and I also make like if is not empty, so going to inside and print grade, and here you can change to grade. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like grade is equal to C. Let's remove the percentage sign, we don't need. Just refresh the page again, so you can see it like grade C. Let's go to another part. I think SS1 not there here, SS2 inside there, so not there. So SS2 arts and science inside also not there. SS1 SS2, let's add here some marks so you can understand. 20, we can add like 20 20 20. So I save. Okay, I also here 20 20 20 20 20, and I save also. Okay, so I refresh the page, so you can see it like grade B, percentage 18. So just go to here, so you can see it like 80 to 89, so means the percentage B. Okay, so it's grade system working very well, no issue. So this is the grade system we need to add inside and also you can do it here also, grade system. Let me show you, this is good for you. Okay, So just copy this function and go up. Where is the put? Here you can put. Okay, so just we can start like PHP and PHP, and here is a passing mark and total mark, whatever received a total marks, just you can pass here like total marks. And we can change like a grade system, grade loop, get a loop grade, because the looping was work. This reason I put like this name. Whatever do you want to like, you can put. Okay, if is not empty, and if, and also we need to pass like this same, just copy and paste, and you can change here like a get loop grade variable, and here you can type like a grade. So just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it like also grade B, because he is a pass, total marks is 18. Also grade B is equal to, see, suppose I can make like a 30 and I save. So I think is A grade. You see, mark is going to 19. So we have put here like a 19 to 100. So grade A. You can see it. So let's go to student side. Also we can sort out student side and parent side. So we can finish here is a grade systems. Okay, so just login. This is the student, and also we need to put parent side. I think we can do is the next video like part 2, because otherwise this video going to very big. So in this video I will explain like a mark grade system, how to make, and also how to show mark register inside grade, so you can easily understand. I think no any doubt, because I have explained everything very well. So do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And next video I will show you about this grade system inside parents, students and teachers. Okay, and I hope do you want to like, and thank you for watching.